Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So y'all, in this video I'm gonna be mainly clearing out my closet. I'm gonna be taking all the clothes and shoes out of my closet and getting them packed in boxes. So I have already moved my bed out of the room. So I still have some more furniture pieces that I got to get out of here, but I'll be doing that last. So today I just want to focus on getting these clothes out the closet, and I'm keeping them on the hanger so that way when I get to the new house I can just pull them out the box and hang them up. And y'all, I got so many clothes, a lot of them that I haven't worn and some that I can't wear. So I definitely need to do a closet purge soon, and donate some to the Goodwill, throw away some clothes, and the rest I'm just gonna keep. So but today I'm not gonna focus on sorting any clothes out. I just want to get them all out the closet and pack into these boxes. So but the new house, my closet is bigger, which I'm happy about that. Even though I'm gonna have way more space, I need to everything in my closet needs to be used. I don't want to just have clothes sitting in my closet that I'm not wearing or can't wear. So most definitely I'm going to be doing it pretty soon. So but yeah, that's pretty much all I'm gonna do today. And this video is pretty short, so y'all not gonna see me finish the entire closet. I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of me packing up my closet. So but yeah, if y'all are enjoying these videos, if you would please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So but yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get back into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it. So y'all, that's all I have for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.